first thing I did when I learned I was coming here is I went to Google Maps and I looked at the region and I saw how dramatic it was just from Google Maps. And it was thrilling to see how it was being tucked up into the Alps the way it is. Of course, when I got here, it was completely dramatically different. So much more beautiful, so much greener than I expected. And I have never seen such a steep region in all the world. And I've traveled in a lot of wine regions, and I don't think I've ever seen some that are as steep as what you find here in Valdobbiadene and in Conegliano. I knew before I came here, of course, that this was a UNESCO site, but I didn't really understand why. And when I got here and learned the story behind the UNESCO preservation, it remains something terribly remarkable to me. So what I didn't understand was how the UNESCO preserves an effort of human scale on natural beauty and on the natural landscape, and the way that those things come together are really fascinating and really they really interest me. The idea that the entire population of the region worked together to recreate the landscape for their own benefit and still preserve so much of its natural beauty and so much of its functionality was the thing that really moved me. It remains one of the most beautiful places I've seen where grapes are grown, and how you manage that I'm still scratching my head about it. When I came here, my understanding of Prosecco was that it was enjoyable and a light wine, easy to drink, easy to enjoy. When I see all of the effort that goes into making something so light and so delicate, really, that to me is something that's very remarkable. It's almost a contradiction. There's so much work that goes into making something so easygoing.